Hello, this is Engin from Koc University. Today I'm going to present you a demonstration of Prosody-driven head gesture animation system that we recently developed in MVGL, which is powered by similar project. Our main motivation in this study is to build a speech-driven, natural-looking face animation system. We believe that this kind of systems has demanding applications in man-machine interfaces, entertainment applications, and etc. The state-of-art visual speaker animation methods usually are capable of synchronized lip synthesis. However, they lack synchronized gesture synthesis. And head and face gestures are usually added manually by artists, which is a costly way of doing it, and they often look unrealistic. And there are also studies stating that head gestures are correlated with speech prosody, so we investigate this correlation and we build a speech-driven, natural-looking face animation system. Our speech-driven head gesture animation system composed of two main blocks, analysis and synthesis. In the analysis, we learn reoccurring head gesture patterns and we learn reoccurring prosody patterns. And then between these patterns we learn a correlation model. And we use these correlation models and prosody models that we learn in the analysis segment to derive our speech-driven head gesture synthesis. In the synthesis part, given audio signal, we extract prosodic features. From prosodic features, we extract prosodic patterns. And from prosodic patterns and the correlation model that we extracted in the analysis block, we generate a sequence of head gestures which are correlated with the speech signal. And then we use the talking avatar of momentum to animate the sequence of audiovisual content. Now we will see a couple of demonstrations of our speech-driven head gesture animation system. In the analysis part of our system, we use storytelling recordings in Turkish of a single speaker. And in the following demonstration, you will see the source speaker's animation with real head gestures which are captured from the source video. So it will be a baseline for us, for the naturalness.
Onlar da yine kendi çileklerinden bunu etkisiz kılan bir şurup yapmışlar. Prenses ilk önce onu içmiş, onun için o zehirli iksiri içtiğinde hiçbir şey olmamış.
In the second video, we will see our speech-driven head gesture animation with source speaker's voice recording in Turkish.
Onlar da yine kendi çileklerinden bunu etkisiz kılan bir şurup yapmışlar. Prenses ilk önce onu içmiş, onun için o zehirli iksiri içtiğinde hiçbir şey olmamış.
In the third video, we will see a prosody transplant scenario, where we use source prosody and face model with a different speaker's audio.
In a hole in the ground there lived a hobbit. Not a nasty, dirty, wet hole, filled with the ends of worms and an oozy smell, nor yet a dry, bare, sandy hole with nothing in it to sit down on or to eat. It was a hobbit hole, and that means comfort.
Another possible scenario is head gesture transplant, which use source prosody and speech onto a new face.
Yine bir masal ülkesinde bir anne kız yaşarmış. Bunların çok güzel bir evi varmış. Böyle çok güzel bir bahçe, her tarafta çiçekler, bir de boş yerlerinde de yaban çilekleri varmış. Böyle küçük küçük minik çilekler.
We can even use only source prosody with different speakers' audio and face.
In a hole in the ground there lived a hobbit. Not a nasty, dirty, wet hole, filled with the ends of worms and an oozy smell, nor yet a dry, bare, sandy hole with nothing in it to sit down on or to eat. It was a hobbit hole, and that means comfort.
As a result of this study, we extract meaningful elementary gesture and prosody patterns and we build a mapping between these elementary and prosody head gesture patterns, and we obtain a correlation model, and we use that correlation model to derive natural looking prosody driven head gesture animation. Finally, we would like to thank Momentum Incorporated for making us available the talking avatar. And we would like to thank especially to Similar Project for powering our research in this field. Thank you.